On Tuesday, Matthew Shive was casing house at around 1:30 in the morning. A neighbor had called the police. She had been worried if Shive had ill intent.
Hello, 911. I'm calling to report there's a suspicious guy looking through my neighbor's window.
Matthew Shive was arrested by none other than Officer Sean Haren for prowling a house.
Hey man, come straight to the front of the car.
You don't have a reason to stop me, man. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Come straight to the front of the car. Why are you looking in those windows for?
Just looking out a window.
Okay, come straight to the front of the car. Put your hands on the bar. You have any weapons on you?
No?
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, put your hands behind your back. Spread your feet for me.
Come on, man. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay. Don't move, you understand?
Yep.
Alright. I'm gonna pat you down for weapons so you don't have any weapons on you, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, man, you can't take that. That's mine. I wasn't doing anything with that.
Having reasonable suspicion, Officer Haren had searched Shive. Shive claims that this search was violating his Fourth Amendment, which is to be safe from unreasonable searches and seizures, which in turn created Nevada v. Shive.
All rise. BTCTA Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Mulligan presiding.
The judge was Jake M. The defense attorney was Raekwon Morris, and the prosecutor was me, Caleb Manawat.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You may be seated. People of the state of Nevada versus Matthew Shive. Parties present?
Yes, Your Honor.
Will the parties approach the bench? This matter is set to trial. Are the parties ready to proceed?
Yes.
Very well. Prosecution, opening statements.
Your Honor, the defendant claims to have been unreasonably searched. However, as seen in the video, the officer claims to have been searched the defendant as a means of reasonable suspicion. Reasonable suspicion allows the officer to stop and frisk a suspect. The man was clearly seen casing the house and looking for a way in. After the evidence has been presented to you, we are asking you to find that this was not a violation of the Fourth Amendment. Thank you, Your Honor.
Defense, are you ready to proceed with your opening statement?
Yes, Your Honor. The defense is ready to proceed. Good morning, Your Honor. Raekwon Morris on behalf of the defendant, Matthew Shive. Your Honor, the prosecution claims to not have purposely trying to look into the house. And also, there are no other claims of my client attempting to enter the house. Also, for the search to take place, there must be reasonable suspicion present at the time, which the officer clearly didn't have, where reasonable suspicion must be believed that a crime is about to be committed.
Thank you. Will the prosecution now bring up their first witness?
Your Honor, I'd like to call Dulce Gabriela Maria Sanchez to the stand. Now, tell us, ma'am, what did you see this man do?
He was acting really suspicious and he was looking through all the windows and yeah, he was acting.
Ma'am, would you consider yourself a reasonable person?
Yes,
Why did you call the police?
because I thought he was gonna break into the house or something.
I see. That is all, ma'am. Your Honor, I'd like to call the defendant to the stand.
Objection, Your Honor.
Overruled.
Now, sir, please tell us what you're trying to do that night.
I lost my ball, man.
Do you know where it went?
In the person's yard.
How come you seen you were casing the window?
What if it flew in the window?
Do you know which window?
No. I plead the fifth, Your Honor.
Why did it take you so long to find the ball?
Overruled.
I plead the fifth again.
You're overruled.
I see. That'll be all. The session had lasted for about 3 to 4 hours. We ended up winning the case, but more happened this week.